Place game our year women wafcon air so our chasanon so Morocco no so Ghana bo ediatia South Africa amabian so atumi akoswa ne uramu labi Zwali stadium ona game no eba so non so pepepe na game no so atumi asase a edem ansamnam so atumi eba ma bia akoso na numu ana urama coach a ne tin ene Desire Ellis head coach edema South Africa eden sam to just omoposo mo finish announce end on high note and to come here so na ometri the Black Queens of Ghana ho yenko ni yenko tie nsam ameno tuja.
Good morning everyone. Obviously the ambition was to get to the final and go back to back, and a bit of disappointment in not reaching it, but we still have a game to play, and we want to end on a high note. And obviously go home with our heads out high. We've got one training session to go today. There's not a lot that you can do. We've done so many things during the tournament and how to prepare. We've played against Ghana, and it's always difficult to play the same team.
Okay, I know I am Mamiane Tini Desire Ellis head coach at the map with South Africa. And it is someone to Janona, but one Tini Jamie Zasa Posenwe. I don't see a player at the man of South Africa, Mabano, and then some air to just person what be into by all means, Chibi and Sana. I'm returning back to South Africa, Intino. Okay, no, so Emudiano, Ababana Chasenia Ina, Atumin so across young trust with the young Black Queens, Sasuana, young Quedin, come on. Well, just head coach Edema, the Black Queens of Ghana. I ran a dinner came last jockey grain. No, and I didn't some air to draw a chim, say what I said the future no, is so bright. Edema, the Black Queens of Ghana, young Quedin Cotier, Black Queens head coach came last.
So yeah, the first game, of course, we played against South Africa. We lost with 2-0. I think it was a close game, a little bit of a 50-50 game. They scored, we didn't. But I also know that the important for us has been to grow into this tournament. And I said it already from the start. I know that this group wouldn't do the best game in the first game. We have been playing better and better and better. I think that's a strength in this group, that we haven't been together for so long time. I signed with Ghana I think in February or something like that, and for I think 20 or 24 players they're doing the first tournament ever, and many like young players, and they are learning and they are growing, like Stella here. I mean, she didn't play in the start of the tournament and in the Morocco game, at least like.
Okay, I know I Kim Lance head coach Edema, the Black Queens of Ghana. And then some no so to try no been so to us to say people outside Ghana no consider Ghana as favorite. Or no mobile tournament, you know.
And I can be completely honest when I'm saying it's in one way difficult, because like I said, at least what I've seen the whole time is gold, and now we can't get it. But in the other hand, it's, if you're looking at the expectation from the most of the people, at least the people outside of Ghana, have been that no one have been talking about Ghana like a team that actually can play the final, like so. And we have only been in the playoff one time, I think in 19.
Okay, no, I came last head coach Edema, the Black Queens of Ghana. I came last, Mami Muso. In the group stage, South Africa, Echo, about 2 goals to nothing. Now, coming to this game, do things that my with match South Africa.
The first game, of course, we played against South Africa. We lost with 2-0. I think it was a close game, a little bit of a 50-50 game. They scored, we didn't. But I also know that the important for us has been to grow into this tournament. And I said it already from the start. I know that this group wouldn't do the best game in the first game. We have been playing better and better and better. And I think that's a strength in this group, that we haven't been together for so long time. I signed with Ghana I think in February or something like that, and for I think 20 or 24 players, they're doing the first tournament ever, and many like young players, and they are learning and they are growing, like Stella here. I mean.
Okay, now Kimla say, Mamin say Musabio, Ababa one, Dini Santa Boy Loka, Ababa way in Machuma. And also Ghana number 8 will make more brutal. Now we will sababa way performance ordinary the Black Queens of Ghana. There are some by number can
She helps us a lot. She had experience from England, of course. Both the fact that she grew up there, but also from the experience from the league, and mentally you are a little bit different because of that. So I think she gave the team power, both in the way that how she is, but also the way she's playing. So I think that's been really good for us. And I remember I went to London.
Yes, I know. I came last head coach Edman, the Black Queens of Ghana, and somebody to dread for some boy local. And even so, Emma, now, Sala Nyamichem, I shall say, I heard of South Africa. Preparation at say, Mubetimas, South Africa, Amana Yana, Sebetia Faso.
We have prepared very well for this game, and the training that we have trained, we are mentally prepared for this game, and we are ready to deliver on Friday.
Yeah, like Stella said, of course we are.
Okay, no, I am Stella Nyamicha player. The Black Queens of Ghana, somebody to Jananua, and a Black Queens Ecolandi or Casablanca out of game and Ebasono. No Mukobiano, Omoko Equisiano, Sano, Ghana ambassador to Morocco. And as her excellency, Charity Bedowa, and a Mamenon so Ekodun Komoka Equaserano, na Mamin Mutus and Nia Gibuta, Arches Enyan Sem Ketua, and Shanta, and Nature Sano, Mame, her excellency Charity Bedowa, and Oriamu always Queen of Sano, Utu is a feeling no, I was so, I am a just say when it come to women and at Sonia Monsano, editing Koma Niamina and so at me across 20 abra. Now Sanom Ayacha said the Black Queens of Ghana, Eremu our Chelsano, a Ghana ambassador in Morocco, and Ekokoshia, the Ghana ambassador to a Morocco, Her Excellency, Ambassador Charity Nelson Egbedawa, Edmond Sano and so at me airport, Nanyon Koa, and Unin say a semi final game in Nigeria, what it South Africa, no South Africa, Baba. Ne denom ensono ene Gebrala Sagadu ababawe efepla na ofepla no Black Queens say oh watch say football ye yina yenuanum adwuma yenkamu adwuma say wo free South Africa ne wepla say yenuan so ene pla no tonwa omama ba no ekokosera ababawa no hospital abra no so eje treatment ne ntino Black Queens ena mo nso akosera ababawa ne tini Gebrala Sagota enso awo Chelsea hospital edemo nsanno enso tumi abama nyama yina akosu kawunsi Nigeria for akosera no South African place na ko afina Black Queens of Ghana enso akọ seri no honso no esi efate etenwa amaniama ina nso atumi akoso a edebe nso pa yemrap Ghana ne yemedi nkomo enwa ene beto dwa sem Star Time ene Ghana Football Association asan contract ya 5 years contract ona mansan amon nso ebetwa Ghana Premier League live amaniama ina no atumi nso akoso a urama Piero Edma Star Times Eli Konto ene Coach Sport TV a ode sa sem etu dwa yenko na yenkonkotie ensema abrante no editu dwa was positive abra na ochemu ese wacha se Ghana Football Association and Star Times and so arrange agreement next year omo ebetwa aye Ghana so ne aja ye fe no so no aye Ghana Premier League yenkone nkotie no.
You know, I think the last time I was here I spoke about some outstanding debts that was owed the FA. And I mentioned that we started payments of that as well. So yes, there was later on there was an agreement to have a payment plan to clear all of that debt. And then once that was done, there was also another plan on how the new payment for the new deal for the upcoming season will also be paid as well. So both parties have had an agreement on a new broadcast right for the Ghana Premier League for another 5 years extension starting from the upcoming season. So that has been agreed. Both parties agreed on that. But then one party is yet to put pen to paper.
And what party is that?
The Ghana Football Association.
So why are they dragging their feet? Do you have any ideas?
From where I see it, I can't tell why they're dragging their feet. But there's rumor that they are also having other ideas with regards to production. You know, before Star Times used to produce the games at our own cost, and production is a
okay, no, Piero Edema Nesano Star Times, Abran Tentini Eli Kontu, and it is San Seven Etuja. Now, emo publish a image na ana just president of the Ghana Football Association Kelt Edwin Simeon Okraku Alberto just entwoni Musa contract da bɛn na manhui enye no kura ba ku say fake mu wa mu pianto ba bikura mu fanto das bi monti cut years Okraku enso Alberto Facebook no so ebe reply say ensema no so no etodwa esem acha se no ayacha se Ghana Football Association any start time assign 5 years contract omo na emo ebe ya adwuma no no kura bi anim ehurudu nwara sem entu ti awon so no pia na fatu ba bi ne ensem efirimu eba erebe nso ema owoye dwumadie no eso ntino cut ono so Facebook no so ni eno no so primary ne ema ina etumi ko sade na false news entu hu a piana fatu ba bi ade mon se ne eba na rumors wa eba ene sem enkomodie eguso ekoso mu yansan contract na 4 TV stations and say ameno ka say Ghana Football Association ene omo edi nkomo ene rumors wa ene so na mountain so a eba de kan Star Times Ghana ya American aka na wansem ere a channel de to DSTV Samsung Media General and Sport TV we mu ina stations according to report wa men sanso atweme eka no ene sem omura mu na mo so no wacha se ene Ghana Football Association edi nkomo report men sa eka chese no the government of Ghana ebenya anka media general ena no so no acha se bobo skacha ama se all broadcast ama niam yina nso atumi akoso na anyanya confirm the rumors so ena mountain nso atumi eba ede nso ema wotuma de so yenko democracy cup eno launch ne ekoso anyanya confirm this year democracy cup ebekoso no Chelsea Accra has a folk any Accra Great Olympics Olimasi Olidade Oli Sportad Oli Williams Oli Angelotti Oli Serge and Ebo Kim na Chelsea enya senketwa kwant Accra Great Olympics na se no has a folk and airport democracy cup 2025 wa edemon se ne eba na speaker of parliament Aban Smala Babin honorable eden sem etutwa echiremu de timbia ebenya efse utimewene ade efense ne democracy cup no edisu na so yentie no
passion and fierce rivalry. I hope at the end of the day, I would have preferred Freedom Stars, but it's long defunct. I think one of you will invest in it. Freedom Stars. Ankara, are you going to do so? You have left football, you are now in a different game. So, beside the cash prize for the winning team, both clubs will receive appearance fees to support their operations and enhance preparations for the upcoming football season. So please, it's a game. Whether you lose or you win, you will still get some gains. So we want it to be what we are looking at, just to develop the local game, catch many young brains, and push Ghana football higher and better than we are doing. Let me state here, and just for emphasis, the democracy.
Okay, I know I honorable Aban Smala Babin and Son somebody at two trading so Emma Kama Keto couldn't send to Cha HMU and Faso and Fus Nakato couldn't send me to us to say Black Queen's results for Oyanum a systematic and continued investment in female sport. Edmond said no Pana Kumasia Sanekoroko, our South Africa, Okobo Toyota Cup. Na the first training session. Eko swana enyan senketwa koroko yes enyan first training na unia emuhwe ni mupa koroko fona kun seye a chese enyan senketwa ni koroko ene Kaizer Chiefs ana ebo sa game no ama bibia nso no atumi akoso eti amantuwe ya bra koroko enso no ekwakuya ni first training session ewo ye Nelson no democratic anasa no Toyota Cup wa ba so ntina ha training no ene guso ekoso no ansa pitch na emo fa pa jagoja chese na tie mu meye ne sebi na muntra ho wa senti F achese enya senki 20 we koroko South Africa omo kwa kobo ye Toyota Cup against Kaizer Chiefs Saturday which is do cha ana sa game no baso